So guys, I arrived here at the Mercedes-Benz.
What do you want to do?
Fix my car. So I have a first damage on my A-Class. I'm going to show you it from outside. Let's check it out. This will be a quick video. So this is the damage. It's a scratch from the door and it's quite deep. It cannot be polished. Where is it? It cannot be polished. So yeah, this is the scratch and it's deep. It's like this size, like 2 inches. So not very deep, but also not shallow, and it cannot be polished. It's deep into the paint and sharp. So how this happened is quite simple. So I was parking like this, and here was my neighbor's car, like this, and the back door, when they opened the back door, the car was scratched by the sharp edge on that door. So yeah, this is the first damage, and it needs to be repainted and properly repaired. So I was at the Mercedes and also at the insurance company, so it will be repaired. Actually, I'm going now to the Mercedes to hand over the car for the repair, and it should be like a few days to repair. So sometimes in the end of the next week I should have it. So yeah, this is stuff which happened, and it wasn't my fault, so it's going to be paid from the insurance of the person which damaged the car. It wasn't on purpose, it wasn't with the key. So yeah, stuff like this happens, and it's normal. So top up the washer fluid. I didn't wash the car. Why? Because the car is going to be washed at the Mercedes when they will paint the doors. So yeah, that's why. And they would wash it anyway, because yeah, you need to wash it properly. So yeah guys, this is the first damage, so-called, on my car, and I will show you the repair after I got the car. So how is it, how it looks, and yeah, so maybe when I arrive now at the dealer, I can show you what is in the stock. So guys, I arrived here at the Mercedes-Benz.
What do you want to do?
Fix my car here in my city. And this is also white, polar white A-Class. I want to see digital white, not sure where I can see it. So yeah, it's going to be repainted, the side door, and beautiful star here. I really like this. How is it turning? So yeah, some cars here, and also Kia is here, the same company. So guys, that's it for this video. I will show you the car when it will be repaired, how it was done. And yeah guys, this stuff happens to everybody, so don't be sad, and yeah, need to fix it in the proper Mercedes workshop. So yeah guys, give this video a like, not for the scratch but for the repair. So comment down below if this happened to you, these door scratches. And yeah guys, I'll see you soon in the next video, and have a great day.